How to change your IP address in Windows 10. You can change your IP address manually or let Windows assign a new one automatically. Here's how to do both. Option 1. Change IP address manually. Open Settings. Press Windows key +I to open Settings. Go to Network Settings. Click Network and Internet. Choose Ethernet for wired or Wi-Fi for wireless. Change adapter settings. Scroll down and click Change Adapter Options. Open Network Properties. Right-click your active connection, select Properties. Choose IPv4 settings. In the list, click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Click Properties. Set a manual IP address. Select Use the following IP address. Enter IP address, e.g. 192.168. 1.100. Subnet mask usually 255.255. 255.0. Default gateway your router's IP, e.g. 192.168. 1.1. Optionally, set DNS servers. Click OK to save settings. Option 2. Get a new IP automatically via DHCP. If you want Windows to get a new IP from the router, follow steps 1 to 5 above. Select Obtain an IP address automatically. Also select Obtain DNS server address automatically. Click OK.